I recently spent 12 nights in 5 different towns, and the reason is tech conferences. So here's the thing. I recently started this DevRel journey, as I said, and obviously this involves going at conferences around, well, mostly Italy, but I've also been at GitHub Universe in San Francisco, so it's kind of a long travel from here. In all honesty, it's not something I was prepared for. I mean, yeah, I usually go on vacation once or twice a year, but traveling this much, at least for me, in 5 different towns in less than 2 months, is actually a lot. And I think it's something that at some point I should get used to it. I mean, I feel lucky, I feel blessed that I've got the chance to travel for work. Yeah, it's work, but it's also kind of fun at least for now that I'm just starting out. I don't have super high expectation or pressure. But the thing I need to understand is that if I want this to be part of my actual job, it's gonna be something I should learn to enjoy. I mean, the traveling part. Otherwise, it's gonna be a problem. But so far, so good. I'm now mostly going to conferences just in the public, so there's not really a lot of stress. I mean, just moving around, booking hotels, public transport, but that's really it. Then when I go there, it's always awesome, a really great experience. But this time I also had talks to 3 conferences, and that adds a little bit of extra stress on me, like having to prepare often different sessions, all close to each other. You know, conferences are usually at October, November, or maybe in the spring, so they're all packed together. And this time I had a lot of stress, but the balance is usually positive. So I'm going to sessionize again. It's almost the end of the year, so it's time to submit new talks and get ready for the fun experience in next year and maybe March or April. Now, this quick vlog is probably more for me to try to express this feeling so I get more used to it. But I'm also curious about you. If you're watching this video, if you're curious and interested about how my DevRel experience, DevRel experiment is going, if you're interested in following me, question for you. When you go at conferences, it doesn't matter if you speak, or if you just go for the talks, or if you just go for meeting people, especially if it's far away from your town. How many extra days do you stay, if you stay some extra days? Like in San Francisco, the first time I went there, I booked 2 days in advance and 2 days after the conference, as I wanted to visit the city. But for example, last weekend I was in Pescara, here in Italy. I just took the train, let's say half a day later, because I never visited the city. At least I had the chance to do a run in the morning. So I visited the seaside. There's a really cool bridge. I crossed the bridge while running. So yeah, I took the chance to stay a few more hours to try to visit something. And what about you? Do you stay some extra days, extra night, or is it just for the conference? Which would totally make sense. And that was it. Just a super really short and quick update. I would really love to do more of these. And I think they're, as I said, interesting for me. Try to think and go through my feelings, talking and saying that to a camera might be a good experience, might be helpful for me to try to understand better if there's something I like or not, because I don't know. And yeah, I hope it's also maybe interesting for you as well to listen. Anything, just write a comment down below, and I think the next video is gonna be a technical one. I've got some coding agent stuff I want to show, so stay tuned and, well, see you soon. Maybe at conferences. Bye!